My body knows how to respond to praise. Can't forget it back up. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I know what I'm talking about. I had disease in my body, and I had to tell it to back up. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Turn the soil over. Turn the soil over. Turn the, you want something overturned, put something on the floor and turn the soil over. Hallelujah. Turn the soil over. Break up the fallow ground. There's fallow ground under my feet that I need to break up. I need to break something up. Something's in resistance. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Something's in resistance to me. And it doesn't want to break. But I am a believer. I'm a restored believer. I got the power to break it. I got the power to break it. I got the power. I said I got the power to break this thing. Hallelujah. 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 Come on, say, neighbor, if you knew what I was fighting with, you would help me break it. Whoa! Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Stop telling me I'm off. Just help me break it. Don't look me up and down with that smoked out church looking. Just help me break it. Hallelujah. 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 While you trying to figure me out, the devil done figured your home out and get ready to send an assassin to it. Because you got your eyes off the wrong thing. All up in mine when I need to help you cover yours. Baba, so. She come out. Hallelujah. The people have come for something this morning. The people have come for something this morning. Hallelujah. Somebody had to pass a nervous breakdown in order to get here. Somebody had to pass lust in order to get here. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Come on, tell somebody, say, neighbor, I know you came in a fight, but now you're in a place of victory. Hallelujah. Folks are fighting. They're going through things.